So my project is called Budget Boy, and it is a 12-pound BattleBot. I decided to pursue this project because right now in the weight classes, the 12-pound weight class is the first one that most people would say is inaccessible. So being able to use 3D printing really reduces the amount of resources you need to jump into bigger robots like this. When I thought of this, I thought back to myself in high school, something I would have been able to do and would have absolutely loved to do. So Budget Boy is a lifter robot, so no kinetic weapon on it. It is control-based. Since this one isn't quite done yet, I have the small scale here to reference. Most lifters have the arm over the top. Budget Boy hides the lifter underneath the robot and in between very thick steel forks, and it actuates downward and uses the whole armored face as the lifting components. Another thing for armor, we have a massive steel wedge in the front that is made of AR-500. That is the steel that shooting targets are made out of. So it's literally bulletproof. On the sides, there is inch-thick TPU. If you want to get to the wheels, you have to do a lot of cutting and tearing, which is quite difficult in a 3-minute span. The NHL arena that this thing will be debuting at has bumpers around the sides that robots have gotten stuck on. So by driving very, very fast and doing some drifting to keep the front pointed at someone while you're out maneuvering, the goal is going to be to get people stuck on those. I think the weakest part of this robot is going to be the way the lifter arm is attached to the gearbox and the lack of support on it. The cool thing is this thing is going to be 2 pounds underweight around, so once I figure out if that is the failure point, there's going to be a lot of weight to fix that.